Isn't she just the cutest?
Yeah, you do! Good night, everybody! You are the wonder, the light and the thunder. You're the ultimate star. You can be hurried, broken, don't worry. No, you see in the dark, you see in the dark. There is wonder in your heart. It's called Wonder, named after Wonder Park, the movie, obviously. And it's a big, energetic pop song with empowering lyrics about creating your own reality. It's a fun-filled family adventure film. There's a little girl, June, who's awesome and super brave, and she's inspiring. I just had a little girl 5 weeks ago. So, looking at June through the eyes of a mom now is a lot more special.